Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 24th of June. Now let's look at what is buzzing. So we're selecting indices, and the indice I want to talk about today is Nikkei 225. For the past 24 hours, there are 47 articles towards it. And in sentiment analysis, we can see people are feeling positive towards it, and the subjectivity is currently loading. However, if it's closer to 0, that means people are being more rational. It's 40%, so it's relatively rational. Going into the trend analysis, we can see the professionals at Trading Central are saying that it may fall by 6.52%. Now, since it's falling, so I have to mention this, that if you're trading with CFD, then you'll have an option to buy and sell, which means here is a profit of 6.25%. Again, this is a daily chart. In short term, up there, they're saying it's choppy. We can see the current price is below the 20 days and 50 days moving average, and also below the pivot point of 29150. In the comment section, they're saying the RSI is mixed. So in this kind of scenario, you can always wait for a confirmation, maybe when the RSI shows a clear signal to enter. However, since it's a daily chart, so they're probably saying in a longer time frame, in a few days, that was gonna be a fall. Now, below, it's a series of supports and resistances. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, don't forget to press the like, and also don't forget to follow our social media, Facebook and YouTube. Until then, I'll see you tomorrow, and I hope you have a happy trading day. See you tomorrow. Bye.